How to share a file on Microsoft OneDrive to Google Drive in easy, fast way. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so easy and simple. Just go to OneDrive. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is choose the file that you want to share. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say, this one, this file right here. Now click on those three dots right here, click on them. Now click on share option here in the first one, scroll down like this until you find the Google Drive option. Click on it and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.